Kid Buddies!
Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn 7 action words. Action words are words that tell us what we do. Let's learn them one by one. Let's start. Look, I am jumping. Jump means to go up and down with your feet. Can you jump with me? Ready? Jump, jump, jump. Run. Run means to move fast with your legs. Watch me run. Can you run too? Let's run together. Run, run, run. Clap means to put your hands together and make a sound. Let's clap together. Clap, clap, clap. Dance. Dance means to move your body to music.
Let's play music and dance. Dance, dance.
Hop means to jump on one foot like a bunny. Walk means to move slowly, step by step. Let's walk together. Walk, walk, walk. Swim means to move your body in water. Look, I'm swimming. Great job, friends! Today we learned 8 action words: jump, run, clap, dance, hop, walk, and swim. These action words help us move and stay strong. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.
Had fun? Give a like and subscribe to your new friends at Kid Buddies.